Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, why ending a relationship with a narcissist can be dangerous as fuck. You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. You already learned how compromised you were during that daily struggle. How at no point were your feelings, thoughts, and emotions even considered. You got to see how often you were both blamed and drained of your emotional energy anytime you tried to speak like consenting adults. So do you think that someone who is this egregious with their behavior and being so inconsiderate, so mean, so impulsive has a limit on how much they hate you? Especially when you trying to escape, trying to free yourself from the bondage of trauma that they had you wrapped up in. See, for some strange ass reason, we seem to think while we're with a narcissist that we know them, what they're thinking, how far they'll go. But I'm here to tell you with 1000% certainty, you have no fucking earthly idea how far they will go. To protect their fake ass image, to keep access to your resources, to maintain access to you and keep control of the situation they love to manipulate and get supply from? Shit, you don't believe me? You ain't gotta take my word for it. Ask your fucking nervous system. How safe did you feel in their presence? Why do you think it took you so long to leave? How come we keep forgiving, trying to talk sense into them, justifying their shitty actions and behaviors? Because not only did we love deeply, we didn't want to waste all those years of our lives that we now know we ain't ever getting a fucking return on. Oh, but your body knew, and even after getting out, it's still on edge because the narcissist gets us conditioned better than an Olympic sprinter to deal with the trauma every day. The confusion, the arguments, impulsive behavior all became normal. You know, on some that's just how they are type shit. And since when did you ever sign up for this kind of chaos? Whatever happened to wanting a nurturing environment where you felt at peace, where you felt seen, heard, and understood, where you could be authentically you 24/7, where you didn't have to put on a front out in public like you weren't afraid for your damn life, where you didn't have to hide in plain sight from your kids, your family, making it seem like you had this loving relationship or marriage. You were never safe. You were never at peace. And even in the moments of the calm, you were always ready for some shit to pop off. Because even after a good day, the narcissists just couldn't help themselves, could they? But to turn into a whole asshole by the end of the night. And I say all that to say this. You have no idea how far, how much, or what kind of diabolical ass plan they had for you. So the strength it takes for you to leave, or in the process of planning to leave, is for you, your physical and emotional safety, and for the future of real calm for your nervous system that you put off for too damn long, hoping that this fucking monster would change, knowing deep down in your spirit, they won't. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video. But in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.